For a lot of us, Christmas time is our most favorite time of year, filled with family and friends and parties and shopping and decorating and eating way too much of the wrong things. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel, to my kitchen. You guys, having lived over 60 years, I can tell you firsthand that along with the holiday season, which is my most favorite time of year, eating the wrong things, yes, comes along with the territory. But as you get older, you realize that you've got to do things differently, just as I have. So in order to prevent me from eating more than one piece of cake or more than one slice of that delicious apple pie, okay? What I will do is I will make myself some healthier alternatives. An example of that is over Thanksgiving, what I did is I made a phenomenal, you guys, cauli mashed potatoes, where you use the cauliflower instead of the potatoes. You put the same exact ingredients in the cauli mash as you would a regular mashed potatoes. You know, you have the cream, you have the butter, etc. And then what I did is I shaved some Parmesan cheese on top. And when I tell you, absolutely phenomenal was that. And what that does is you can actually load up on that because it's a healthier version, lower in carbs. And then if you still want to get the taste of the traditional side, then you can put a tablespoon or two of that on your plate. But I'm telling you guys, that stuff was so good. It didn't even miss the traditional mashed potato. So today, what I'm going to do is I am going to share with you a healthy chocolate dessert. It is a no-cook chocolate pudding. No sugar, you guys. And before I unveil this recipe to you, I just want to thank all of my subscribers and my new subscribers. I'm getting a lot of new subscribers on this channel, which is one of the reasons why I want to reintroduce you to this recipe. Guys, thank you so very much for your continued support, because what it does is it lets YouTube know that you are interested in the content that I am bringing you here, and then they will continue to push my videos and my channel along to others. And that's how I grow. And that is also how I can continue to make these videos and stay a part of this YouTube community. So you guys, thank you so very much from my heart to yours. So this recipe that I'm going to share with you today, you guys, I created it some time ago. And again, is no cooking, ingredients, sugar-free cocoa, Greek yogurt, or a creamy cottage cheese, one or the other. I made so many recipes with a creamy cottage cheese, so you choose which one you prefer. And then a sweetener of choice, I happen to use a powdered allulose. In the recipe that I'm going to share with you today, I also put in some protein powder just so I can boost the protein level. And then I also added in some olive oil just so you can get that little glossy texture of the pudding. Once it's done, you put it in the refrigerator. And then when you are ready for a chocolate snack, all you need to do, instead of, reaching for that unhealthy thing that's loaded with sugar, you go straight to your fridge and it's there and it's ready when you need something, okay, to get you over that hump. So you guys, without further ado, the chocolate no-cook recipe. All right, everyone. So to my mixing bowl, I'm going to add in my Greek yogurt, some powdered sweetener. Today, I'm also going to add in some protein powder, totally optional, but I just want to increase the protein level of my pudding. And because this is chocolate pudding, let's add in our unsweetened chocolate cocoa powder. Combine all of your ingredients. Now that all of these ingredients have come together, go ahead and give it a taste for sweetness and chocolate level. Then at that point, I'm just going to add one more thing, which is also optional, extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to add this because I just like the nice sheen that it gives my chocolate pudding. Combine this in. And our pudding is ready. All right, the only thing left to do is to put this into our serving container. So that way we can go ahead and put this in the refrigerator and then we can enjoy it over the week. All right, everyone, and there you have it. Another example of how you can keep it simple, keep it healthy, and keep it oh so delicious. And also remember to turn on that notification bell because there is more to come that will keep you satisfied during this holiday season without going too far off your healthy me track. Thank you guys so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I will see you right here real soon. And thanks for joining us.